Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have finally got around to testing the AOA Studio Paw Makeup Brush Cleaning Matte and the Wet&Wild Sponge and Brush Cleanser, which I am totally loving these two products. I ain't gonna lie, this is product review rave. I want to go over a few things, key points about each of the products while you watch a demo of me using the products. To jump right in, for the AOA Studio Brush Cleaning Matte, you can find this at shopmissa.com. This is $1.55. It is latex free, and some proceeds of this product when you buy it go to animal charity. It is a high grade silicone. It's pink and in the shape of a heart, obviously with suction cups, you saw that, and it is used for deep cleaning makeup brushes. I like that this particular matte has several different set of ridges, and it's perfect for getting in between all of your bristles and your brushes, and it's easy to use, it's durable, and it will stay in place while you're cleaning your brushes, and it has incredibly soft silicone and it won't damage your brushes. This is able to take all the product out of your brushes because of all those different ridges, and it is fast, it's easy. Definitely going to want this for your deep cleaning of makeup brushes, and after I am done using this, you will see me go back through and rinse it off with water, and it dries very quickly. It is a thin matte, so it's easily stored. So I love it. It works fantastic, just as all of the suggestions on the package. It's fantastic. So moving on, a little bit about the Wet&Wild Sponge and Brush Cleaner. This is called Snail Soap Suds, which is so incredibly cute. You can get this from wetandwild.com or ulta.com. It is $5.99. Comes in a blue color, the soap does, and a fresh light scent. I love the packaging. If you love SpongeBob, if you're a super fan of SpongeBob, like, you're totally gonna love this collection. Super cute packaging, and the container. Perfect for traveling. It removes product buildup, germs, and dirt from your brushes. This is how you use it. You're going to wet your brush, swirl it in the soap, and scrub it on the cleaning mat, and rinse out the suds. So it rinses out the soap very quickly, and it leaves a light scent in your bristles. Very light, almost unnoticeable. It works fast and cleans very quickly, and I recommend giving this cleanser a try for the fast deep cleaning brush cleanser. I really love it. I love the scent as well. Packaging, all of it. Love, 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 love. And I will say that you see me pour the little bit of water that we did get in the container out, and you just seal it back up and go about your day. All your stuff's there in one place. These products are super affordable as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed and found this rave review helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.